Welcome to Hallies Creations. I'm Hallie, and I just wanted to share a few things that we do make on this channel for you. I have a wide variety of playlists, so make sure you check out the playlist when you're done checking out this video. This is a brush technique with the acrylics and the gouache paint on black canvas. The one you saw before was oil paints with palette knives. So there's different ways of doing art. This particular piece is not quite done, but I wanted to show the process. This is Mod Podge magic with a napkin, showing you how you can upscale things like that. And then you'll also see glass painting with not only pens, but with the brush. This is various stages of a piece I'm working on at this time. And this is bottle art, where we're using the Mod Podge again to make different bottle arts. And here we are again playing with the Mod Podge. It's really fun what you can do with a napkin. Super easy peasy. Bridal bouquets, floral bouquets. This one is my granddaughter's. That's what she wanted. This was a Flasky bouquet holder for the Flasky bouquet holder. I made a sample for them. And this shows you the wide variety of how you can take your napkin and match your bottles up to your glasses. And don't throw away those wine corks. There's all kinds of things you can do with wine corks. And if you're allergic to candles like me, I make my own. I use the glasses that we paint and I make my own candles, and I show you how to do that. These are fun table settings, and this is jewelry share, showing you that we do various styles of jewelry. We do the stretch as well as showing you how to do the toggles. So that's kind of fun. And then we make different types of wreaths as well. You saw the cork. This is the mesh. And bows for the holidays. Yeah, we got you covered. And a little wood burning here where I'm upscaling our end table. My husband loves this end table and he won't let go of it, so I personalized it. This is Mod Podging a bridal bouquet holder, and this is turning a frame into a jewelry display frame for a friend of mine. And here is another one in blue, just showing you different DIY projects we do as well. More glass painting. And I paint with pens as well as with brush on the glass, and I teach you how to bake off and for you can use it every day or use dishwasher Mod Podge. Again, we are looking at the jewelry making. That's a simple one. Glass painting as well as candle making. And then I do a few fun kiddo shares as well. And then how you can bling out glasses and such. Here's another frame that we had done. Another glass that we blinged out and turned it into a candle. And some more wreaths that we have done for the holidays. And I say we because I do it, as a live share usually, or I do it for you, so we're doing it together. So I like to bling out the back of necklaces, so show that. This was my first piece that I had actually done, hand painting. This is a champagne bottle. This is my grandson's picture that we painted together, and this is the Mod Podge with the gold flaking on it. And this is a fancy way to wrap up a bottle of wine when you're going as a dinner guest for your host or hostess. Painting on glass is something else I do in 2 and 3 dimensional. So yeah, art is fun. It's a process. So thank you for checking out my channel. I hope to see you subscribe, and don't forget to set your notify. May the Lord bless you and keep you. And yeah, that's it.